Across the country on this Monday morning, with masks coming off, for many Americans, a mixed reaction.
If you're not wearing your mask, I kind of want to stay away from you.
I also feel like they might be just rushing it.
Freedom! Definitely feels like the light at the end of the tunnel, though.
States, local communities, and businesses are now scrambling to reevaluate their own policies after last week's CDC guidance, which says fully vaccinated people can choose not to mask up indoors and outdoors in most circumstances. Now, major retailers like Walmart, Costco, and Starbucks are dropping their mask mandates for vaccinated customers. But other companies, including CVS, Target, and JCPenney, are keeping the requirements for now. The relaxed guidelines signal a return to normalcy, but also are prompting challenges for small businesses over their own rules for customers and employees.
There's really no way for us to verify that they're vaccinated.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky acknowledges the changes rely on people being honest and stresses that the guidance is only meant for vaccinated Americans, even though some others may now sense more leeway.
This was not permission to shed masks for everybody everywhere.
But she assures Americans easing the protocol is ultimately based on science.
Right now, the data, the science shows us that it is safe for vaccinated people to take off their masks.
For now, the CDC says masks should still be worn in places like doctors' offices, schools, and on public transportation. This as New York City's subway system, the largest in the country, resumes its 24-hour service after a one-year shutdown during overnight hours. And with more Americans expected to travel this summer, the TSA is keeping in place its mask requirements on planes and airports until mid-September.
CDC is hard at work now saying, what does this mean for schools, for travel, for camps, for businesses? But we needed this foundation.
Still, with only 37% of the population fully vaccinated, some public health experts say more people need to be getting shots in arms before taking off masks.
If the majority of the country by July 4th can really have 70% of us with one shot, I will breathe literally a lot easier walking indoors without my mask.
Yeah, it really is the honor system, whether you have or have not been vaccinated. As for parents of children who are too young to get the shot, the advice is maybe wear the mask, be a good model for those kids when you're in an environment that would potentially pose a risk to them. Savannah, back to you.
And what does the data say, Tom, about the risk that COVID-19 poses to those younger kids, the ones who aren't eligible for the vaccine yet?
4 million children have contracted the virus. 300 nationwide have died. But the risk of actually ending up in the hospital, less than 1%. Those stats, as you could hear, may be encouraging to some parents, may also be concerning to some parents. And so parent to parent, family to family, really making the decision about whether they want to go ahead and keep the mask on or not. It's really a family by family decision.
It's a tricky one, Tom. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.